We're on our way to Killarney. Killarney. So we left Kenmare today. We'll be sleeping in Galway tonight, doing the Conor Pass, and we're taking a ferry. Oh, the views. Couldn't get these views the other day. Whoa! So we're in the Dingle Peninsula right now. It's a bit of a windy day today. The Wild Atlantic Way. Well, it certainly is a bit windy and wild today, but it's sunny. You can see how windy it is. And we're winding along here, hugging the coast. You can see. We're heading off to the right to do the Conor Pass.
Step by step, I climb so high, touching the clouds, reaching the sky, lost in the silence, wild and free. The mountains are calling to me. Reaching the sky.
I love straight lining it on the bend. Yeah. Something like that.
What did you say? Did you say you like going straight?
I love straight lining.
You like going straight?
When I can, yeah.
Do you like going straight? She said she likes going straight. Do you like going straight?
I like smoothing it out.
Yeah. Oh yeah. What are they doing?
Don't know.
Why is all the places needed?
Don't know what they're doing. Change the bulb.
So after the Conor Pass, we had our usual fun and games on a ferry.
Angelo, do you leave it in gear or neutral?
I leave it in gear so it doesn't move. What I actually do is while it's still running in gear, I put my sight stand down, it cuts off the engine, then I know it's in gear.
Yeah.
That's £5.
Did it the wrong
It's
way.
there's £5. Whoa!
Surf's up.
After the ferry, we stopped at a seaside town for some chips and time to take some photos on a very stormy day, very windy, with some waves and some nice sights. Following that, we went past the Burrens, which had some very beautiful geological formations, some more photos and fun with the wind.
These limestone steps and the iron islands in the background and the cliffs at the end. We stopped here, I took some photos. A long day today, but very rewarding, very beautiful, very bleak. A bleak beauty, not black beauty, bleak beauty. I'm just babbling on now. Very, very nice. What a ride. What a ride on this road. Look at this. Gonna get right next to the sea. Right next to the sea. Crashing waves. The undulating sea and the undulating road. Up and down. Round and round.
Somebody got pulled away and lost at sea, and this is not going to be very good.
at it up there. It carries on. Just loads and loads of stone and rock everywhere. All in strata as well. Very impressive. I think there's a place like this in the island of Great Britain as well. Is it in Yorkshire somewhere?
And following that, we just rode into Galway, our final destination for the day. So do keep an eye on the channel for the next installments and the next roads on this fantastic trip. If you haven't already done so, please don't forget to subscribe. As always, if you could give the video a like, leave a comment down below, it really helps. With that, thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you in the next one, and this is NooBiker.
Oh, it's goat track time again.
Go to the beach, go to the beach. That's a pretty beach. Toilets.